When people think of energy efficiency upgrades, they often imagine new windows, insulation, or solar panels. However, one of the simplest and most overlooked ways to improve your home's efficiency in Austin is residential pressure washing. Beyond enhancing curb appeal, a thorough exterior cleaning can help your home perform better by removing buildup that interferes with natural heating, cooling, and airflow. Removing dirt and grime for better heat reflection in Austin's warm climate, keeping your home cool is a priority for most of the year. When dirt, mold, or algae coat your siding, roof, or exterior walls, they can absorb and retain more heat. This extra heat seeps into your home, forcing your air conditioning to work harder and increasing utility bills. Pressure washing removes these dark, heat-absorbing layers, restoring your exterior surface's ability to reflect sunlight and maintain a cooler indoor temperature. Protecting your insulation and preventing moisture damage, mold, mildew, and algae growth on the outside of your home can lead to moisture infiltration if left untreated. Once moisture seeps inside walls, it can compromise insulation performance, reducing its ability to keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Regular pressure washing keeps exterior surfaces dry and clean, helping your insulation do its job effectively year-round. Improving HVAC efficiency by cleaning around vents and systems. Dirt and debris buildup around exterior vents, air intakes, and HVAC units can restrict airflow, making your heating and cooling systems work harder. Pressure washing clears these areas, ensuring your HVAC system runs efficiently. For homes with rooftop units or outdoor condensers, removing leaves, dust, and pollen can lead to noticeable improvements in system performance. Extending the lifespan of energy-efficient features. If you've already invested in energy-efficient upgrades such as solar panels, reflective roofing, or insulated siding, keeping them clean is essential. Dust and grime can block sunlight from reaching solar panels or reduce the reflectivity of a cool roof. Pressure washing helps maintain the efficiency of these features, allowing you to get the maximum return on your investment. Enhancing natural light indoors. Dirty windows don't just block your view, they also reduce natural light penetration. This forces you to rely more on artificial lighting, which can increase electricity use. Pressure washing windows and surrounding frames removes buildup so more daylight enters your home, lowering your need for electric lighting during the day. Preparing surfaces for energy-saving upgrade. If you plan to repaint your home with a heat-reflective coating, add weatherproofing sealant, or install new insulation, surface preparation is key. Pressure washing creates a clean, debris-free surface, ensuring these energy-saving materials adhere properly and last longer. Year-round benefits in Austin's climate. In a city like Austin, where hot summers and occasional heavy rains create the perfect conditions for mold and dust buildup, regular pressure washing is more than cosmetic, it's a practical energy-saving measure. A seasonal cleaning schedule, once or twice a year, can keep your home's exterior performing at its best. Final thoughts. Residential pressure washing is a small investment that can lead to lower energy bills, improved indoor comfort, and longer-lasting exterior materials. By removing heat-absorbing grime, protecting insulation, and keeping energy-efficient features clean, you're not only preserving your home's beauty but also making it more cost-effective to run. For the best results, hire a professional Austin pressure washing service that uses the right equipment and cleaning solutions for your home's specific materials. They'll ensure a thorough, safe clean that protects your property while boosting energy efficiency.